वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. My name is Jasdeep Kaur, also known as Kenny Gogia. I am the holistic health coach. Today's Hukamnama from Sachkhand Shri Darbar Sahib Amritsar by Bhagat Namdev Ji at tongue 718 of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji is a deep nudge from Bhagat Ji to all the seekers, the philosophers, the wanderers among us. Let's begin with these divine verses. कोई बोले निर्वाह, कोई बोले दूर, जल की माछुली चरे खजूर. Which means some say that he is near and the others say he is far away. We might just as well say that the fish climbs out of water up the tree. Kai re bakbaat layo. So Bhagati says, why do you speak such nonsense? So Bhagati says, some say Almighty is near, some say Almighty is far away. But that's like saying a fish climbs a tree, totally absurd. So how do we logically understand that Vaheguru is surrounding us? Let's look at three simple truths. You are breathing, but did you create that breath? No. Something unseen, unmeasurable is making it happen. That life force, that's Vaheguru. You can feel love, intuition, joy. But can you see these on an X-ray? No, yet they are the most real experiences. That dimension beyond senses is Vaheguru. Your mind is active, but you are watching it. That awareness, that silent witness within is not your mind, not your thought. That is Vaheguru within you, beyond you, around you. Just like the fish doesn't realize it's in water, we often forget we are in His presence constantly. There's no outside of Vaheguru. Our minds are full of beliefs, assumptions, and filters. We don't see things as they are, we see things as we are. So when we say Vaheguru is far, that's not truth, that's a filter, a story. When you are fully present in this moment, that's where transformation happens. So Bhagat Ji is pointing to the same. Don't debate, be present, be silent, be aware, and you will realize Vaheguru is here. Truth is not something to be talked about. Truth is something to be lived. So Bhagat Ji echoes when he says, जिन हर पायो तिन्हें छुपायो रहाओ. One who has found the Lord keeps quiet about it. So the one who has truly found Vaheguru Ji does not go around announcing it. So Almighty is not an object, not a concept. When you go beyond desires, beyond mind's noise, what remains is pure awareness. Call it Vaheguru, call it truth, call it liberation. So instead of asking, where is God? Ask, am I silent enough to receive Him? A woman once said, I did 40 days of Path. I visited 5 Gurdwaras, but I still don't feel Almighty. Her grandmother said quietly, try this. Tomorrow morning, just sit and say Vaheguru 11 times, but say as if you are sitting next to Him, not calling Him from far away. She did it, and then she cried. Why? Because Vaheguru was never far. She was busy looking for Him in activities, not in presence. I repeat, she was busy looking for Him in activities, not in presence. So today's Hukamnama invites us to stop the noise. Don't say near, don't say far. Just be still, like the fish in water, and you will realize you are never alone. So Bhagat Ji reminds us, don't chase Almighty, just pause and feel Him within. Vaheguru Ji is not far. He is you, in you, around you. So my dear friends, implement today's Hukamnama and then you share your experiences with me. Take care, be happy, be balanced. ਰਿਸਪੈਕਟਸ ਟੂ ਭਗਤ ਨਾਮਦੇਵ ਜੀ, ਸਰਬੱਤ ਦਾ ਭਲਾ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ।